Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. I am Dr. Uzma and I am here to introduce anatomy to make anatomy easy. Okay students, हम आज हार्ट मॉडल करेंगे. ठीक है, सबसे पहले देखें इसकी जो सरफेसेस की बात कर लें तो सबसे पहले इसकी जो सबसे फ्रंट पे नज़र आ रही है एंटीरियर सरफेस, इसको क्या कहते हैं? स्टर्नोकॉस्टल सरफेस. दिस इज़ स्टर्नोकॉस्टल सरफेस. दिस इज़ द एपेक्स ऑफ हार्ट. ठीक है, this is diaphragmatic surface. Okay, and this is base or posterior surface. This is base or posterior surface. Okay students, this is superior vena cava. Okay, now we do there are three surfaces. Now we do borders में जो आपके पास सुपीरियर वेना केवा के पास बॉर्डर बनेगा वो आपका राइट बॉर्डर बन जाएगा, जो इस तरफ बनेगा वो आपका लेफ्ट बॉर्डर बन जाएगा. ठीक है, और ये वाला सुपीरियर बॉर्डर. 3 बॉर्डर्स एंड 3 सर्फेसेस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज superior vena cava. This is formed by union of right brachiocephalic vein and left brachiocephalic vein. Okay, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. This is inferior vena cava. Okay, this is coronary sinus. This is coronary sinus. This is pulmonary trunk. Okay, this is pulmonary trunk and this part is infundibulum. Okay, this is aorta. First part, aorta have 3 parts. This is ascending aorta, this is arch of aorta and this is descending aorta. Student, this is right brachiocephalic trunk. This will divide further into right common carotid and right subclavian. This is left common carotid and this is left subclavian. Okay student, so this part is called AV groove, atrioventricular groove. This, okay, and this is interventricular groove. Okay, so राइट एट्रियम हैव एन ऑरिकल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. जो आपका एओर्टा के पास स्ट्रक्चर है, एओर्टा के ऊपर करके, ये देखें एओर्टा के ऊपर करके, दिस इज़ एन ऑरिकल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दैट प्रोजेक्ट डाउनवर्ड. ओके, सो दिस इज़ राइट ऑरिकल. सेम यहाँ पे लेफ्ट ऑरिकल होगा, ये देखें ये आपका लेफ्ट ऑरिकल हो गया. ठीक है, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, this is called fossa ovalis. This is the remnant of oval foramen. सुपीरियर वेना केवा के पास हमारे पास एक ग्रूव होता है, इसको कहते हैं सल्कस टर्मिनालिस दैट प्रोजेक्ट डाउनवर्ड. ओके, दिस इज सल्कस टर्मिनालिस एंड अंदर वाली साइड पे जो इन्वेजिनेशन बनेगी उसको क्या कहेंगे? क्रिस्टा टर्मिनालिस. ओके, दिस पार्ट इज स्मूथ. ओके, एंड दिस पार्ट इज रफ. दिस contain pectinate muscle. Right atrium and left atrium contain pectinate muscles. Okay, so further poorly deoxygenated blood through superior vena cava and through inferior vena cava enter right atrium and from there into right ventricle. So I'm going to show here because their cusp are not prominent there. So student, this is tricuspid valve. Blood enter from right atrium into right ventricle through this tricuspid valve. It has 3 cusp. Okay, anterior, septal and posterior, and these are trabecular carni. This is papillary muscle. Okay, further these are trabecular carni. This is trabecular carni, this is trabecular carni. These elevation atria have pectinate muscle while ventricles have papillary muscle. This is pillar. Okay, one end is attached. Here I'm going to show here. One end is attached and the other is free. This is called pillars. Okay, and the other term is bridges. This is bridge and the other are ridges. Okay, these left are ridges. Okay, so blood will enter into pulmonary valve and go for oxygenation into lungs. Okay, this is pulmonary trunk. This part is infundibulum. This, okay, pulmonary trunk की 2 ओपनिंग है. एक आपकी आ जाती है लेफ्ट पल्मोनरी ओपनिंग और एक आपकी आ जाती है राइट पल्मोनरी ओपनिंग. दिस वन इज राइट पल्मोनरी ओपनिंग. ओके, देन well oxygenated blood enters through these pulmonary veins into left atrium. This is left atrium. Okay, I am going to show here. This is left atrium. This part is left atrium. Okay, these pulmonary veins, 2 on left and 2 on right. Okay, left pulmonary veins and right pulmonary veins will deliver well oxygenated blood into left atrium. So further left atrium will discharge blood into left ventricle through bicuspid valve. Okay. This have two cusps. These are chordae tendineae, this is papillary muscle, and these are trabecular carni. Okay. Then further through pulmonary valve, this is pulmonary valve through which blood go into lungs for oxygenation, and this is aortic valve. Aortic valve, through aortic valve blood moves into aorta, okay, to supply all over the body. The wall of left ventricle is thick because it has to pump huge amount of blood to aorta to supply all over the body. ठीक है, इसकी thickness ज़्यादा है. Okay, further moving, this is coronary sinus. This one is coronary sinus. Between the pulmonary veins, there is a sinus. There is a formation of sinus called oblique pericardial sinus. Between these pulmonary veins, there is oblique pericardial sinus. Okay, students, I hope you will understand the lecture. Please like, subscribe my channel. I am going to introduce some more videos to make you anatomy easy. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.